Wait, did you guys claim the free USDC already? It's still live, but probably not for long. Let's go check it before it's gone. The dApp is called MintPantry.xyz. You can claim USDC from the faucet as long as it's still available, because it's limited. Make sure to check the FAQ first for all the terms and conditions. Right now, my USDC balance is 100 USDC. Supported chains include Sepolia for Testnet USDC, Base Mainnet, Polygon, and Ethereum Mainnet. Let's go connect your wallet, then click Check Balance to see if you're eligible. The minimum balance required is 100 USDC to claim 10 USDC. Yay! I'm eligible. I can claim 10 USDC, not bad. Now, just enter your receiver address and click Claim Faucet. You'll see here the max cap is 1,000 per wallets. Each can get up to 100 USDC. So others can get a chance to. Click Confirm. And wait for the USDC to arrive in your wallet. Don't tell anyone before you claim yours. Hurry before the faucet runs out.